Okay, now we're going to go over some advanced cloth animation, and the first thing I want to do is I have this scene set up with our Sevarog character here. And the first thing I'm going to do is make sure I have Simulate set up here. Now I've thrown together a quick animation down here with just a simple camera move and the character moving up and down and rotating a little bit just so we can see the effect it has on the cloth. Another thing I want to mention is I have the cloth set up in here, and we're going to go through this step by step as we go along in the next videos. That part of the cloth is set up to be like a heavy leather, and other parts of the cloth is set up to be like a burlap material. So they react to gravity and they react to wind in different ways. One is stiffer, as you'll notice when we start this animation. So let's just go ahead and look at this. What you'll want to do with your sequencer in order to see the cloth animation happening in real time is to first click play up here. Make sure that you have the setting here on Simulate, not the regular selected viewport play, but Simulate. And we're going to go ahead and click play, and you'll see that the cloth now is reacting. Now go down here in your, we're gonna go through this step by step to set up this actual scene, but I just want to show you what we're going to be doing right now. So we'll make sure that we're at the start of the animation, and I'm going to click on the camera icon so that we're in the camera view. We're looking through the camera right now. Then as I click play, just watch as you see the cloth reacting to the movements, and especially I want you to note that when the character goes to the floor, you'll see that the cloth is collapsing onto the floor. It's not going through the floor, which is what's been happening up until now, you've probably noticed. There's some special settings we need to do, some special things that we need to do in order for that to happen. It just doesn't happen on its own. So just let's watch this again, see how the cloth crumples on the floor. And this works really good in exported animations. You'll be able to really get your cloth to react, you know, to the environment, whether that's the stairs, chair, whatever, as we can see here. But there are some special steps we need to go through, and that's what we're going to be covering in the next series of videos.